Myself Nancy, and today we are going to learn about meeting at the train station conversation part 2nd. If you have not watched the previous video conversation between two persons S1 and S2, watch it first and then watch this exercise 1 to 5. Then the concept will be more clear to understand to you. Exercise 1 example we are going to see here. So example is, I have got to go to the train station. This sentence we can say in different ways, such as just putting this word to this sentence instead of I have got to. So we can so number one word is I must, have to, ought to, should, I am supposed to. This word we can use in sentence and it will make different sense. Just you see and just you watch and see how it is different. Number one example, I must go to the train station. Next example, I have to go to the train station. Ought to you used in this sentence and it will become like this, I ought to go to the train station. Should, I should go to the train station. Next word is I am supposed to. Then you can use this word in sentence like this, I am supposed to go to the train station. Example 2nd. Here you notice that in both sides there is question mark. Means same question, one question we can ask in different ways. How? Let us learn. What do you have to go for? Why do you have to go? Same meaning it is coming out, but in different way we are asking the same question. Second question, let us see. That is, what did you have to return for? What did you have to return for? And this one only in different way we can ask, why did you have to return? What are you going to leave for? In this question we can ask in different ways, why are you going to leave? Next example, what are you going back for? Why are you going back? Same question it is coming out, but in different way we are asking. Next example, what will you do that for? Why will you do that? Next example, what have you done it for? Why have you done it? Example 3rd, and examples are here. Here also you can notice that in both sides there is full stop, means it is answer, okay? And in different same question answer we are giving in different way. We can give one answer in many different ways, and few examples are here. You can see here few examples are here. So let's learn one by one how we can give same answer in different ways. Please let me take you to your car. And this thing only we can say in different way, let me take you to your car. Next sentence is, please let me carry your suitcase. Means please let me carry your suitcase. Somebody is asking to some person, he is asking please, and instead of please we can use these things also, let me carry your suitcase. Next sentence is, please let me drive you to school. Means let me drive you to school, I will drop you to school. Please, you are asking somebody to please, you are asking please, and these things only you can answer in different ways, and instead of using please you can use let me drive you to school. Next word, please let me help you with that. Please let me help you with that. And this sentence we can say in different words like this. Instead of please we can use let me help you with that. Next sentence, Please let me return the book for you. This one we can say in different way. Instead of using please, we can use let. That is, let me return the book for you. Example 4. The sentence is, did you get to the station on time? So, instead of the station, we can use different words such as the airport, late, arrive at, the theater, early. So how we can use this word in sentence, we will see here in right side. Step by step we will clear it. So number 1 example is, did you get to the airport on time? Instead of the station, the airport came here. Okay. Next example, late. This word we will use in sentence. Did you get to the airport late? Next, arrive at. This word we can use in sentence. How we use? Let us see. Did you arrive at the airport late? Next example, the theater. This word we can use in this sentence like this. Did you arrive at the theater late? Next word is early. We can use this word in sentence like this. Did you arrive at the theater early? Exercise 5. So the sentence is this. We got to the train just as it was starting. So the train, instead of the train, we can use different words such as the bus before it left, the aeroplane, a minute or two early. These words we can use in sentence. Let us see one by one. The bus is word, okay, and this we are using in sentence. We got on the bus just as it was starting. Next word is before it left, and in sentence we got on the bus just before it left. Next word is the aeroplane. In sentence, we got on the aeroplane just before it left. Next word is a minute or too early. The minute or too early, next word we can use in sentence like this. We got on the aeroplane just a minute or too early. Here is some information for all my viewers. If you want to learn more basic English, then you can follow to my first channel, Nancy Juliana, and also you can follow me on Instagram. The link is given below. Go and check it. If this video is really helpful to you, then subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon also. Thanks for watching the video. So take care of yourself and bye-bye.